What's up guys, it's Kay and I'm back with another video. So I decided I wanted to show you guys how I edit my pictures. I have class right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my pictures. I thought this would be like a cute little fun video for us to do, you know. I really enjoy taking my pictures and I feel like I've been wanting to do this for so long. Only because like, and I haven't done it because like, I haven't found the right formula to edit my pictures. But now that I do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and if you want more videos like this, let me know. Let's get straight into it. First, let me get into this class because it's daytime outside today, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be on my phone like this entire time, but there's gonna be like a screen recording right here. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so weird because I'm just gonna be on my phone the entire video, but you guys will see what I'm talking about. I'm screen recording right now. Hello. Great, screen recording. Oh, look at my background. Isn't it cute? Hopefully the screen recording, this is so weird. Hopefully the screen recording goes up properly because I want you guys to see my background. I'm so proud of this. Should I do a what's on my iPhone? Is that like not a video trend anymore? I feel like I should do one. I don't know. I feel like it would do numbers, but there's nothing interesting on here, so it'd just be a waste of time. I'm gonna go to my favorites. And I'm gonna scroll up to pictures I took in my green dress. I took these outside. No, I didn't. I took these in my dorm. And we have a cute little white wall in our dorm. But I don't know, I've always wanted a picture behind a white wall. And then when I found the white wall, I was like, yes. And I had my like, my self clicker and everything, my tripod. So good vibe. I already posted these pictures, but I'm gonna edit some of these that I did not edit already and see what I can do with it. I'm just trying to find one to show you guys. I'm like in class on my phone, like I don't even know which one I want. I kind of like this one. This is a cute one, but I'm like really far away from the camera. No, I don't like that one because it's like the way my face is in this, there was no sunlight. I'm just showing you guys how I pick my pictures as well, because some of these are really good and others, wow, this is a really this is a really nice one. I think I'm gonna post this one. I really like this one. Oh my god, I guess we found the one we're gonna edit. I think I know why I didn't post it, because it looks like I have no hair right here, but that's literally not the case. I don't know why it looks like that. That's really annoying, but okay. So I'm gonna do this one. That would have been cute if my eyes didn't look like this. Oh, I feel like we can get another one. This is cute, but you can see the clicker in it. Which one are we vibing with? This is a cute one. I already posted that one. Not cute enough. I already posted that. I'm sorry, I'm like really indecisive when it comes to doing stuff like this. I mean, I guess you're getting the process. This is kind of a cute one. No, no, no. This one, this is the winner, y'all. We're gonna edit this picture right here. The rest of these are like weird. This is weird. This is, I don't know what's going on here. This is the best one we have so far. It's just a filler picture, guys. Obviously it didn't make the cut, but. So I go to Facetune, which is in here, photo editing. I go to Facetune, and then there's a lot going on right here. If I could blur this when I'm doing this, I would. Favorites, we go. I know, I take a lot of pictures. I take a lot of pictures. Don't judge me. Which one did I say we're using? We're using this one? Okay, cool. So this is the picture we're using. Okay, can you not? No, I didn't mean to click that. Move. Okay, I go straight to Retouch. And I just whiten everything. This is a trick that I learned from ALLYIAH'S face. She just whitens. She just whitens everything, and I decided that I need to do that as well, especially because I like the way her pictures are, but I don't want to really copy her essentially. But you know, she gave me a lot of basic photo editing tricks. I feel like everybody could implement the tricks that she gives, so I will leave a link to her video down below. Also, I'm like filming and in class at the same time. I don't know how we got here. I don't know how this happened. It was kind of an accident. So this is so weird, guys, because I'm like, how am I How am I doing this? It's just like I'm just sitting here. So I just whiten everything. Make sure I don't get myself, because I'm not trying to. I'm gonna smooth in my face a little bit. And also I was sitting down, so my stomach is on, you know, roll city, and that's fine. But I just tap my finger over the smooth thing. I don't, you see what I'm doing? I don't slide it, because it's like, why are we doing this, you know? Also, go back to whiten. I just kept it like that. For whiten, I'm just gonna lower it just a little bit. I go back and forth, and then I always click the thing in the corner for Facetune 2. I see the before and after to make sure that I'm not making it too bright, so that it, because to my eyes I'm thinking this is okay, but it's literally not. So I put just a little bit. I like it a little brighter than the wall than it was before, but I don't like it super bright, because that's when it looks fake. And then back to smoothing, I just tap everything and then erase something that has been tapped and it wasn't supposed to be tapped. I smooth my arms because I have like strawberry, what's it called? Like strawberry, or is it freckles? Do I have the strawberry thing, or is it freckles? That's for another time. I don't have time for that. But yeah, I smooth my arm out because I have like discoloration on my arm. And then we zoom in for details. We're gonna head to details, and this is the fun part. I just slide over my eyes and my makeup, like my eyes and my eyebrows. I never do the whole face. I just want like different features to be prominent than others. Like my nose, I'm not gonna detail that because it's like a lot. I go over my hair as well. It's looking a little greasy right there, huh? It's okay, it's fine. I think it's cute. I detail my outfit as well, and then I lower it a little bit. I feel like I need to go back to the whiten thing. I just go back and forth between the settings a lot, so if you see me doing that, it's a part of the process. I'm like overwhelmed right now. Why are there so many things going on right now? Okay, this is the part. This is like game changer for me. Okay, listen, you go to the glow tool and you just tap. You tap over your face. This is literally a freaking game changer. It gives that look of you took it with like a professional photo, like a professional camera, but you didn't. You literally didn't. It illuminates everything, and it helps so much, especially if what the especially if you are doing a daylight picture. And with the glow tool, you can just go ham. You can even like slide your hand over it. I just tap, you know. And you know, once I finish editing this, I just might post this to my story though, because I just have too many pictures of this on my feed. You see the difference? You see how it brought back that look in my face. It looked very dull before, very much dead. But now we're alive and ready. It kind of like contoured everything. I don't know how my chin got smaller. What's going on? Contoured everything, darkened everything. And this is a tool where you can have it high, you can have it low. I go in high and then I bring it down just a little bit, because then I'm going to go in with the vibrance tool. But for this one, I like it a little bit more vibrant. Make sure you're going back and forth to make sure that you don't look insane. Then I go to the vibrance and I just tap over my face in the same places I use that glow tool. Do you see why I brought down the glow? Because the vibrance and the glow, I just feel like those two just work. Do you see how this picture is coming together? It's literally coming together. Just vibrance. I'm gonna put a little vibrance on that sky right there. Just make it a little cuter, make it a little vibey summer day. And I do get the outfit that I'm wearing so that everything is just like together and it's synced and everything looks perfect. And do you see the dullness? Do you see the difference? I do. This is obviously too much, so I'm gonna bring down this vibrance tool a little bit. that. And then this is where I go back and forth with the glow tool, because if I like the glow more than I like the vibrance, because I'm going to bring it into another app and we're going to add all the vibrance right there. So I bring the vibrance down and I just go back and forth. Do you see how ashy I look? What the hell? I look extremely ashy for no reason. I love the glow more than I like the vibrance, but I like how they work hand in hand with each other, low-key. I think this is cute. Looks a little natural, looks a little, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so we're done with the retouch tool, so I'm gonna check that. Then I go to face sometimes, and I have like not very chubby cheeks, but I have a little bit of chubby cheeks, and I like to make it my jaw a little smaller and my width a little smaller. I honestly don't think there's an issue with like making your face smaller, you know. People say it's like a little self-hate, but you know what? Listen, I have a certain way that I want my pictures to look. So if I'm gonna Photoshop it a little bit, I'm gonna Photoshop it a little bit. And do you see how it's not even a lot? So don't get on me. It's literally not that serious. We'll be okay. I like it both ways. Just to make myself clear, I'm not doing this out of self-hate. It's just, I don't know. Okay, so I'm done here. So I'm gonna save this, and then I go straight to Lightroom. Oh, that's my thumbnail. Look at all the pictures I edited in here. Go to camera roll. Sorry, that's my friend's face. Then from here, I check it, and normally, because I already have everything set out for me, because I already edited this picture like 100 times, what I do to make my pictures, if I'm doing multiple Instagram posts like at the same time, I'll edit one picture first, right? And then I'll take, because in Lightroom, let me show you guys, in Lightroom they have this thing, those 3 dots where you can copy the settings and then apply it to another picture you upload. So normally I just copy the settings, and I need to take my allergy medicine. I'm like dying right now. I'm so sorry. I just play around with the rest of these settings. Like, I think I want this a little brighter, just to I make sure I see all my options essentially. So if I'm gonna do exposure, I go back and forth with the tool to see what works. Like, I wouldn't want it like this and then have this like this, no. Or like this and then like this, like, no. I need my options. I need to make sure what works. What I'm gonna do for this picture is I'm gonna do high exposure, just to bring out the color of that wall a little bit more and bring out that daylight savings golden hour look. I'm gonna bring the contrast up a little bit more. I also go back and forth here to make sure. And then for the highlights, so we bring that color back because the exposure kind of takes away from it a little bit. I bring the highlights down, and then, oops, and then bring the shadows up. Do I do that? No, I go this way. No, I go this way. Yeah. I bring the highlights down a little more. So I go back and forth between highlights and shadows. I'll bring this up, bring this down. And we're still not done playing with this. I like the whites up in this picture, so I'm gonna keep that up and bring this down. Like, especially with the highlights and the shadows and the whites and the blacks, like, I just go back and forth between all of them until I get it the way I want to. And then black, I just bring it down all the way. This normally would take me longer, but since like I said, I've seen this picture like multiple times, I'm not taking that long. Which one do we like? I feel like I like the white up this way, or the black, excuse me. That's kind of cute, because this is also like, I also have to take into consideration the shadowing of the picture. Normally for these, I feel like I brought the shadow this way instead of this way, but I feel like that's working for this picture. Like, putting the shadows down instead of up. Do you see how it's like still the regular picture, but it's just enhanced? That's how I like my pictures to look. I like it to look like I took it with the regular camera. I just enhance the features a little bit. I just normally leave it like this, and then I'll go to color. I play with the white and the yellow. Obviously, I'm not gonna want the yellow. Like, what is that? It looks so much sleeker with the blue undertone, the tint to it. It makes it look, it gives it like a cool feel. This is where I play around with the filter, essentially, like what I want on it. I don't use Visco. I just use Facetune and Lightroom. And then the tint as well, bring up a little bit of pink to bring out the color in my skin, or to give me that rosy look or whatever. And then Vibrance adds all the color back. And then the saturation, this is where we really go crazy. Sometimes I like to do this and then this, or this and then this. Obviously not right now, but you see the difference? Look at that. That temperature change just really brought the picture to life, brought the white to life. Am I a photographer? What's going on? Effects, texture. This is where I bring back the clarity in the picture, because you know when you go to Instagram they bring down the resolution of your picture, and I just go hams. I know I just bring it up a little bit, or do I? No, I bring the texture down. This is a trick, okay? Bring the texture down and then bring the clarity up. Boom, game changer. Then I bring the dehaze up a little bit, because this, I don't know why it changes the color of the picture. I don't add grain, because this is not the picture I want for grain. And then sharpening, I go crazy. I bring it all the way up. Detail, masking, I don't really care about the detail in the masking. I just mess around with it a little bit. And then noise reduction, just to smooth everything. I feel like this is a great picture for if you like this is a great method, especially if you want your pictures to look like they're like high definition, like you took them with the camera, but you didn't take them with the camera, you just took them with the back camera of your iPhone. This is a great way to get that high def look on your pictures. Sorry, I've been looking at the picture too much. That's why I'm like trying not to. Trying to make sure I get this. Okay. And then we go to contrast, just a little bit. There's a little bit of everything at this point. Not that much editing right now. A little detail here and there. Like, I don't know what this does. Like, why is that there? I think this is after. I feel like I don't see any results when I use this part. Smoothness, just a little bit, because this one will really make you like, this picture is essentially done. This is done. So I'm just gonna export it to my camera roll. Am I ashy? Just a little bit. Why isn't it in here? Hello? Oh. So I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna crop it, because I don't like how my stomach is sitting in this. Just crop it a little bit. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna take it down a little bit. This is a trick I learned from ALLYIAH'S face, because I want my pictures to be centered on me. I bring this part down so that I'm closer to the camera. Obviously I don't want it to be that far down, because we already cropped it on the bottom. So I feel like I need to move it just a little bit. Giving very much headshot, very much hire me for the leading role in this movie. Oh shit, I have class right now. I'm so late. I hate being late for stuff. So normally I would just post it on my Instagram, story, but like I said, I already have so many of the same pictures from that day, so it's not getting posted. Maybe on Snapchat, who knows. Thank you so much for watching this video. My camera's about to die.